Hey guys, welcome to Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to be showing you what we call a master demo, which is just us social dancing patterns number 1 through 10, which is all of the content for our single time swing. This is just us dancing it as an example, so you can see all the patterns that we teach on our website. There's no particular order. You could do it in different orders. This is really just a demo for you to go and see what we have. So we're going to go ahead and show you that with some music. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content here. And if you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com. Not only do we teach and break down how to do this combo, we also teach all of those individual steps broken down step by step for you, which we recommend before trying to put them together and not knowing the steps, of course. So be sure to check that out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.